What should your customers know about reconditioned wheels? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
While the dents and dings inflicted upon the exterior of a vehicle are fairly obvious to your customer after an accident, they may not as easily notice the damage suffered by a part critical to their safety, their wheels. Today's steel and aluminum wheels are frequently cracked, scraped, gouged, bent, or otherwise damaged in a crash, and they're increasingly being replaced with reconditioned wheels. Also known as remanufactured or refurbished, reconditioned wheels have likely been subjected to one or more of the following: remachining, replating, welding, heating, bending, straightening, reforming, material removal, or the addition of new material, all in an attempt to repair the wheel. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, such repairs are strongly discouraged by automakers as they may change the wheel structure and possibly cause the wheel to fail. In fact, a number of automakers have issued written statements to collision repairers and estimators warning them of the potential dangers. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, not all wheel repairs are necessarily unsafe. The automakers say cosmetic sanding and polishing are okay as long as they remove only the wheel's coatings and none of the wheel's metal. If they need more work than that, however, CrashRepairInfo.com says replacing them with new wheels is the only way to be sure they'll meet the original specifications. Make sure to educate your customers on reconditioned wheels and encourage them to find out if a repairer and/or their insurer are using them. Their safety and their passenger safety may depend on it. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.